Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. It's like 85% dry. Yeah, I'd say 85% dry. Because the higher that I go up, because I'm fit to blow dry it, and I want to let them know. This is a pretty cool blow dryer. I'm gonna see, because my hair feels real kinky. I probably put too much product on it. You know, I probably don't need it to be that straight since I'm not trying to flat iron it. Oh, Jesus, that got water in it. Okay, it will, but I don't like that temperature. That's like very hot to get it really straight. So I do like that it gets my hair pretty straight. My hair is soft. It does not feel rough when I blow dry it. I just noticed that I have a lot more flyaways this time, but I really do enjoy the products that I did put on my hair. I don't even think I started timing myself. I think I've only been doing this for about an hour, but it's been a learning curve. But my hair likes to be on low blow. So on the Dyson, can it? So it can only be on low. My hair doesn't like it when it's up to the level 3 on the fan blowing motion, and my hair for the heat likes to be on 2. I felt like when my hair was on high blow, it was really making it like more flyaway than actually smoothing and taming my hair. But I feel like my hair is really soft. It is not hard or feels dry, and that's because I put product on my hair. I kind of feel like maybe I should had tried a little bit harder with the Rev Air, with, you know, actually prepping my hair the correct way that I know I should do when I am blow drying my hair. But I didn't prep it because the Rev Air says that you are not supposed to put any type of product in your hair. And I feel like over time, putting product in your hair and letting like the amount of product in my routine that I do to prep my hair for blow drying or flat ironing, I feel like that would have started eventually messing up the Rev Air. But a deal, do I feel like it's worth $350? Okay, so thinking about it from a more affordable standpoint, no, I do not feel like it's worth $350. And the only reason why I say that is because I have my bird. I think this is the bird. The words is faded off of it, but I believe this is the Bird Conair blow dryer. And I tested it just to see if it works just as good as the Dyson. And honestly, to be frank, it does. It works just as good. And I believe that one's only like $65 or whatever. I'll leave all the links of all of these tools and stuff that I use down in the description box. But for the Bird blow dryer to be a fraction of the price for the Dyson, I would say the Bird is pretty cool, but the Bird is pretty great. It's good. But the Dyson do have some pretty cool features on it that is more futuristic, if you would want to say that. Like, I have a severe problem with my attachment falling off, and my attachment has not fallen off not once. I do feel like this one is a lot easier to handle and maneuver into your hand. I do like that it's not loud. So if you're in a salon setting and everybody's trying to hold a decent conversation without yelling loud, or, you know, I feel like it's like the noise is less intrusive. So just from those perks, the attachment not falling off, the noise, I haven't even really fiddled with it to see what all the extra little functions and stuff could be. But one cool function is when you set it down, it goes silent and it starts blowing cold air. I do think that is a very nifty situation, especially if you get hot while blow drying your hair. And I have not broke out in a sweat at all. So I think for Black Friday it was like either $350 or $250. I say if you have the money, the $250, go get it. But if you don't have $250, girl, you'll be great with your freaking Bird Conair. Y'all, I'm gonna crack up while I'm editing this video if this is not the name of this blow dryer. But she gonna be a bird today because the Seahawks won the Super Bowl. Yeah! Okay, get back together. Okay, so, and if I have not said so, today is, let me see the date. Today is February 11th, and it is now 3:42. Like I said, I think I've been blow drying my hair for about an hour now, but I like it. I would pay the $250 for it for the Black Friday deal. I would not pay original price for it. As cool as it is and how futuristic it is, even though I did pay that $400 for that Rev Air, I was really curious because it's been out for a very long time. But as you guys know, she went back to the store because my hair was dry and I was not supposed to have a crunchy situation like that. My hair is soft and it feels very, very good. Like, okay. I see you. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm going to keep her. I'm not going to send her back to the store. It is a nice upgrade, and it is nice that my detachment does not fall off. So those are my thoughts about it. If you have the money around Black Friday to go spend $250, $300, maybe $400, get it. But if there's nothing wrong with your old blow dryer, especially this Bird, I say keep the Bird. But if you're tired of the attachment falling off, maybe put duct tape on it. You know, it all works the same and that will take care of that problem. But I really do enjoy the Dyson. It's pretty nice. I really like it. Let's keep going.